Okay, the next step now is to actually create our main application or our main program that's actually going to launch this. So let's right click here on the package. Let's do a new class. Let's call it student main. We need public static void main string here. This will be our driver, the class that drives everything. Let's get rid of this. The first thing we need for this to work is we're going to extend this and extend it with application. And oh, have to spell extend correctly. Move your mouse over that. Okay. And of course spell it with the S. Let's import the one from Java FX because this will be an FXML. Okay. This is complaining because you need to implement one of the methods. So let's add unimplemented methods. And there it goes. Now in order for this to start, okay, in this one right here, we have to say application period launch and args here. This is just in case you need to pass arguments from the console into your application. So let's save it there. And as of right now, I think that looks like it's working. I mean, meaning that there's no errors. Now let's actually load up the FXML page. Now the next thing that we need to do is we're going to say here parent root. We're going to use a class FXML loader. Load. Let's move my mouse over this to see that it imports JavaFX. Let's finish this load here. This is expecting a class. So the class that we're going to put is basically this class right here. So we're going to say get class period get a resource. That resource is the name of this file right here. Since it's in the same folder, I'm just going to type in student view.fxml. Just be careful that you spell this right or you'll get a runtime error. Now we need a scene to get this started. So I'm going to say here scene. And I'll say here new scene. In order for this to work, you have to pass it this root. Let's import this. Okay, and everything looks good so far. At least at compile time, it looks good. We're going to say here now, I like to name this a different name. I don't like this arg0. Let's change that to stage. And I'm going to say here, stage, set title. This will be the title of our screen. Student search. Okay, and then we'll say here, stage, set scene. And we're going to pass it the scene from up here. Now for some reason by default it's invisible, so we have to say stage here and show. Let's save it. Let's run this again and pray that it works. Yes, it works. Does it do anything right now? No, it doesn't do anything great, but we got the page up and running. Pat yourself on the back. I'll continue this in the next video. Until then, let the code force be with you.